Ryan Decenzo, and this is my setup. This is my new Combat Series graphic. It's an 8.25. It's the perfect width for me. These boards are made in a single deck press with resin epoxy, which makes them all feel the same. They're also stronger and stiffer than other boards that are made with a water-based glue. I ride independent 149 trucks with the hollow kingpin and hollow axles. I put the Bones bushing in there. They turn really good. These are my Bones wheels, 52 millimeter totem graphic, pretty sick, pretty stoked on them. V5 shape with some Bones Swiss bearings in there. That's all you need to go fast.